How you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main. Today, I'm with Ben. Ben, how you doing?
I'm good, sir.
And today, Ben is working on a 3-day notice. We're in Queens. Customer had a really bad leak. Ben, where was the water leaking here?
Well, first, when we came, the water was coming out from the property.
Okay.
But while we digging up the hole in the street, it was leaking here too.
Now
we have the pump and everything.
Okay. Now we got here a little late. You've already making amazing progress. You got 3 cuts in the roadway already. How far along are you?
Well, we're about to push a pipe in the property right now.
And you have your tunnels done?
Yeah.
So you want to just quickly explain how a small domestic water main is done? I mean, you see we don't trench everything. Just walk us through the process.
We put the M scope on the line in the basement. If it's leaking in the sidewalk or the roadway, depends if it's a long water or a short water. If it's a long water, we close the water first and then we carry on. And we break the basement wall when we finish, close all the water and everything.
Okay. Now,
since
you don't trench, we have a big compressor. How do you connect these holes?
Well, we make a small tunnel, then we have blow pipes like 1 inches, and we hook up the compressor here at the back of it, and we push it and you just move the dirt from out the way.
So we already have these holes done, so we're already, you're already ahead of the game here, right?
Yeah.
So we're connected these holes, and then that hole's connected as well?
Yeah, all of them connected. As you can see, we have a chain. The chain is through the road, and there's a chain through the sidewalk. Now we're gonna get a chain from the property into the house.
Okay, so as Ben just said, they already made the tunnels from the street over to the property. They're gonna start pulling some of the copper. Intika, you just want to kind of talk to me and explain what you're doing right now to the copper?
Right now making a hole so we could put the shackle through the chain.
Okay.
Pull the copper.
So you make a hole in there, you put the shackle through, connect it to the chain, and then since you already have the chain over there, you just pull it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how it's done. So Intika, earlier we saw you blowing these tunnels.
Yeah.
You get really excited when you're on a job and it's sand like this?
Yeah, of course. The best time to be on the job.
Why is sand so great when you're on the job?
Because the tunnel is not that tough.
I mean,
there's a lot of rock.
You made it through in no time.
Yep.
So do you guys see sand in certain areas? Is there different type of rock in different areas?
Yeah. Mostly in Brooklyn is tough. In Queens, most of the spots are like this.
A little sandy, right? Now when you're doing this, you have to be careful not to kink it, right?
Yep, of course.
Because as soft as it is, it can kink very easily.
Don't want that to happen. All right, join the chain.
So what's the next move now?
Jump on it the next chain.
So you just tie the 2 chains together with another shackle?
Yeah.
So you guys have to work together. You guys you pull.
They got to work together.
You got to work together.
Pull.
Yeah. So he's pulling the chain behind you. So we have Chris pulling the chain.
I have to. 2, 1, 2.
And then it just pulls right through.
Rich?
Yeah.
All right. Hold up there.
Guys,
close to you.
Leave it right there. Leave it right there.
I look at this.
All right, well, Ben, you got the pipe in. You guys are going to take a break now. I know you're going to have to just pipe out the inside, connect to the city main, turn the water on, backfill,
That's it.
and you're done. Another good job. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.